Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. In the previous video, we have learned about the registration process. Now we are going to validate the email. Okay, so let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how to validate the email. So in the previous video, we have sent an email that will look like this one. If you're receiving this email because someone has recently created your account, please click on the below link to validate your account, right? So I'm going to use this validate function. So here we have so this is basically the front end, like this is the like form and you have to paste the token and validate one, then hit the API. But now we are going to do with via API, right? So here, let me copy this one. This is basically, I think, the post request validate. Let me check. Users, there is a validate function, that is a post. Okay, so here we have to add the validate function. API users validate right? So this is the post request. We have to send the body as to verification code, right? So what's that name? Let me go and check this one. This is validate. Okay, so let's understand this function. Validate. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to get the validate email required body is valid. So first check the validate input field. So here you can see that the data, whatever the data is coming, so we are going to use data.validate code. So copy this and add this here. So here we have a validate code. So what is the validate code? This is our validated code. We'll copy this and add this over here. And let's add. If I go to add one here, so what happens? Send. Validation code is required. Okay, so if I remove this one, what happened? Validation code is required. I think it is in the, maybe the raw, I guess. Valid. Let me add this here, the code, and here we have to go with the validate code, data.validate code, because it seems like the data is empty. So here we go with this one, postman. So let's make it in a string, JSON. Okay, let's try to send. Email has been successfully validated, right? So let's go to the database. Previously it's validated is false. Let's check. Now it's true, that email is successfully verified, right? Let's dive into the code level. So this is basically the validation. So currently it's not getting the validated code, so that's the reason validation code is required. Okay, next, after the validation, if it is not, then send the whatever the error they have. Otherwise we are required body validated code. Okay, so first validate the email token with this one. We are finding that one and check the if the user exists or not. If it is not, validation code is invalid. Okay, otherwise what we do, user validated, then true. Email, valid email token should be undefined. If I go and check this one, validated email token is not there right now. Okay, it's removed. Okay, so here we go with this one, and then save the user into the DB. The email has been successfully validated. If it is not, then it's showing the error, right? So this is how we are going to validate the email in Node.js with MongoDB. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.